Ito. Ang
Pinupukpok ka, guys.
Ang liit-liit ng bahay ko. Kapag pumunta ka sa inside, ang laki-laki.
Bilisan mo.
Oo nga, alam
Upo
ko.
ka. Tayo.
Hoy, dapat isa lang yung upuan natin. Dapat isa lang. Saglit lang check ko kapag may
Pareho tayo ng snowflake. Nasaan yung balloon? Okay,
Yan.
let's go. I-press mo yung jump button, tapos i-press mo yung screen mo para mas, para lumipad ka talaga. Bye-bye, bahay.
Nasaan ka?
Ayun ako! Taas ko na! Nasaan ka?
Nasaan ang pet ko? Namatay ba?
Namatay, kanina pa.
Ito ay kitang pante.
Oh my God, stop, Dominic, stop. Umutot ka? Medyo malapit na ako sa ay. Ang liit mo sa screen ko. Ang liit mo sa screen ko. Parang ang
Tingnan ko.
ayan ka. You're nowhere close to me, girl. Ayan ka.
Hangay ko naman.
Diyos ko po, bilisan mo. Tumingin sa taas. Top right. Nasaan ako?
Ewan ko.
Ang liit ko, di ba?
Oo nga. Mukhang ant ka. Parang,
Nasaan ka na wala ka?
hoy, don't die. No die. No die. Oh, bye-bye. Wait, what?
Bilisan mo naman, ang tagal papunta dito. Wala na nga yung bahay mo eh.
Nandun pa. Nasa endless void.
Oh my gosh,
Why do I see you? And why are you so tiny?
Why? Where am I?
In heaven.
I don't think papalapit tayo ng papalapit dito.
Oo nga. I think I'm going closer.
I think I'm going farther. Ang layo ko pa!
Sige, mamatay na lang ka. At saka i-teleport ikaw.
No, hindi ako mamamatay. Ang tagal kong naghintay.
Sige.
Nasaan ka? Ang tagal naman itong adoption island na to. Oh no. The devil has arrived.
wanna tete. I wanna tete. Please, someone.
Gutom na ako, men. How about you?
Not yet.
Wow. Padali ako magutom.
Ben, nandito na ako.
Saan ka na? Patingin.
Dito.
What? Andyan ka?
Oo.
Wait, no way. Totoo yan?
Oo.
Wait, pwede mag-teleport sa'yo?
Sige. Wow. Oh.
No way! Oh shit. Oh,
Bro, why you swear?
hindi ako oh my, wow. Ito yun? Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure ito yun? Are you sure lumipad ka? Hindi ka
Oo
nag-teleport?
nga.
You sure? Talaga?
Yes.
Hindi ka nag-teleport?
Oo. Saglit lang, utot muna ako.
Oh no. Narinig, man.
Mag-spend ka ng money para tayo pumunta sa island.
Hindi pala timayan eh. Kaya pala lang ako binigay.
Guys, do you want some tete milk?
Tete milk! Ikaw nga rin meron nun eh.
Mag-buy tayo ng gift. Uy, what happens if we buy this one?
Ewan ko.
I bought this before na, and all I got was this one. Tiny.
I'm emo.
Why would anyone want that?
You can't get it because it's a legend.
Except why does it look like weird?
Okay na tayo.
Okay, let's go buy.
Okay, very good.
Cute! Show me! Show me!
It's a tree.
Please tell me I also get
Why,
one.
hello.
Please!
No way!
I've got a
Nakuha mo yung gusto ko. Yung hairbrush.
You want to trade?
Ba't ako may ngipin?
Why do I have another one? Bigay mo ang ngipin. Gusto ko yan. Walang pera na ako.
Oh,
Can you-
wooden spoon.
Okay, after this, can we like trade items?
Wait lang, wait.
What is that? I want a pizza! Oh my god!
Last one. Kasi may pera pa ako.
I don't get to.
Paper towel!
That's not paper towel. That looks like toilet paper for me.
Ay, paper towel. Toilet paper nga. Toilet paper.
Trade mo ko.
Ano bang gusto mo? Yung ano? Anong gusto mo?
Ibibigay ko yung hairbrush. Yung gusto mo.
3.
Bakit bibigay mo yan?
Sabi mo gusto mo yung teeth.
Hindi nga.
Ano ba yung gusto mo? Sabihin mo.
Ibigyan mo ko.
Pizza!
Yes?
Ano ba gusto mo? Pizza. O, ano pa gusto mo? O.
Kung gusto mo, ewan ko. Wait, show me all of your toys. What is that one?
Oh,
Pizza lang.
mga dede.
Pizza lang.
Not that one. Not that one.
Makain.
What is this one?
Ubusin mo na.
I
Kala ko
don't,
pew-pew.
I don't, huh?
I thought it's a pew-pew. Gun.
You thought it's a gun?
I'll trade you
You
that for the cactus toy.
Oh my gosh! You want it?
I want it. I want the water droplet and the like
You know what? I'll trade you all of my cute stuff. Peely. Cactus.
Anong gusto mo sa inventory ko? Pizza? Ano pa? Gusto mo ba yung yung
You can give me anything. I don't really care.
do you,
Oh wait, look, someone here.
Cause this is a public server.
Oh yeah.
Do you want a robot plush and
That has no word for me. The tree!
laser beam, Viking shield, Robo balloon.
Listen. I have too much robo balloons.
You have too much of it.
Oh,
You want this?
I think I have another.
I think you have it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you have to. Do you have?
Right. The hairbrush.
Do you have the?
Take your hairbrush.
Do you have a paper towel? Do you have any more toy? Why did I glitch out of the map?
And why did I also glitch out of the map? I also glitched out of the map.
Do you have any more toys that I could see?
I guess so.
Wait, yung upuan.
What upuan? Oh, this one? Armchair float.
My God, hindi pa rin ako bumabalik. Saan dapat?
Flying CD throwing disc.
Oh my God, stop. Gumagalaw ako. Okay.
Is that all you want?
You have more. Can I see? Can I see?
Everything?
No. Ano yan?
Camera.
A tripod camera. Can you replace the disc with the okay? Yeah, I think that's good enough. I said that's good enough. I said that's good enough. Sabi. I said that's good enough. Tas nag-add pa na nag-add. Okay na. Okay na ba? Chill na.
Sige.
Chill na. Okay na. Huwag ka na magbawas pa. Okay na. Huwag ka na magbawas. Okay na. Sabi ko, okay na eh. Oh my God, kung ano-ano na yung tinanggal mo.
Pickaxe. Pickaxe.
Peacocks. Peacocks. Peacock.
Pick your nose.
Peacock. Hurry up!
Okay. Which one should I trade?
Naghihintay lang ako. Casually waiting. Ay, shoot. Nasaan ako? Nasa
Ewan.
bahay. Ano yan?
Sabihin mo, ang plate number mo. Joke lang.
What? I have a legendary...
Where is your adopt me home address?
Mag-teleport ko na lang sa akin kung gusto mo.
Wait,
Ay, wait! Wait! Oh my God! Sabi ko.
Dito
Okay.
ka sa bandang ito, dito ka.
Hi, baby!
Deng, dito ka. Huwag ka dyan. Bakit kay masipan?
Hi, baby!
Dini ka. Si ate Jackie, sa gitna.
Hoy!
Dito ka sa bandang ito.
Ba't mo ako minyon?
Yan, kaya ka. Yan. Asya kayo. Yan.
Evan! I-destroy mo yung career ko. I swear.
After that, you give me the toilet paper.
You want the toilet paper? Ano? Gusto mo yung toilet paper ko?
Oh.
Pwede bibigay ko.
Oh, wow. Look, I have something from Christmas.
Mimixo gave you a paper toy. I want the water droplet and the chair.
You cannot have the water droplet. It's my favorite. It's what's keeping alive my friend. Okay, do you want the grappling hook? Or this expensive ball that I spent 600?
Okay.
Nadali.
Wait, talaga ba? Ano to? Hi, I'm Gia9. Actually, you're not.
What?
Gia. Joke lang.
I'm gonna go use
You
my...
need a pet to use this. A bison cat. Look what I have. Isa-spray ko to sa'yo, Gia.
Ang baho naman yun. Dapat ipatayin yan.
Isa-spray ko to sa'yo!
Ayaw ko!
Isa-spray ko to sa'yo!
Sige! Magliliwas ako!
Spray! Spray! Bye-bye!
Bye! Hoy, nasa yung... Wait, saglit lang. Nasaan yung toilet paper?
Nasa inventory mo.
No, it's still here. Let's go. Dress.
Happy Leo. Bro.
I forget that's no more.
Christmas.
R.I.P.
What's this? Bakit yung petware kong reindeer food is from Christmas? I love it.
Why? I don't get to have the reindeer hood anymore.
Mem.
Yes.
Look what I'm holding.
No.
Look what petware I'm holding.
No.
It's very cute.
No.
Stop muna yan. Kain muna kayo.
Let's go!
Yay!
Final! Someone's invisible! Someone's invisible! Ate Shaki!
Someone's invisible.
Over there.
Ah.